we're here. Oh, my phone is not stabilized. We're here. We got clothes here. We got grocery. I'm using my phone because my camera is on charge.
There's an alcohol shop.
Yeah, we got alcohol. There. We made it and I'm so sleepy.
Oh, we got a Thai takeaway.
Yeah, I remember this when we went to there.
Thai takeaway.
Yeah, lots of shop here. May mga tao, may mga naka-check-in din na nagka-camping. We're here.
Chicken party. Reception.
May mga tao, may mga naka-check-in din na nagka-camping. We're here. We're coming in. Ito yung kanilang pwede mong kupahan.
There's your toilet and showers.
May mga tao.
I think there's a code for the toilet and showers too, if you look on the front cover.
Yeah.
Amenities access code.
Yeah. See, merong maliit na tent dito.
Yeah.
And yay. May wifi dito pero malayo
Oh,
kami.
we got water. So
Hindi ko alam kung aabot yung wifi. So
Wi-Fi.
napili namin. Stop.
That's us right here.
Where?
It's Wi-Fi. This is our whole.
Hey, we're
thing.
here. Diyan yung aming spot.
I'm just gonna see what the
Yay.
ground's like before I go back and up on the road.
Yay! May mga kapitbahay kami. Kapitbahay yun. Yay! We're here. Yung kanilang toilet yata parang nandun. Tapos yung internet thing nandun. May kapitbahay kami.
Reverse up on the right.
May katabi kaming van. So, diyan kami magtatayo ng tent tsaka sasakyan. We're here! Meron kaming kapitbahay na may sasakyan. Yay! Ayan. Dito ang amin. Sarap! Makikita nyo may line dyan sa ground. Yan yung aming area. May hangganan. So, hi Bob! What the fuck? We're gonna set it up here na at over and then andun ang ocean sa kabila. Tapos may mga shop na siya. Ayan, oh. May mga bahay kang pwede rentahan. Yung iba may mga trailer na pinaparentahan. Yay! Maganda dito. It's real nice here. Naka-set up na kami ng tent. And yeah. Nilalagyan lang ng pegs ni Baba para hindi siya liparin. So ayan siya. Makalat pa, hindi pa kami tapos. Pero yeah, malamig. Ako ihina. Mamaya pupunta kami ng toilet para umihi. At ito yung aming fire pit. Diyan kami magpapaapoy mamaya. And ayun yung mga upuan. You okay there?
Yeah.
Sinesecure niya yan. Medyo mainit. It's a bit warm. Medyo mainit. Kaya tinanggal ko yung aking jacket. Pero nakaset up na kami ng ano. And guess what? Naiwanan ko yung aming comforter. Sapin lang siya ng comforter.
So what happened?
I forgot the Duna. It's just the cover with the Duna. Comforter siya na walang comforter. Yung cover lang. Pero ano, hindi naman malamig. Huminto na yung hangay, maalinsangan naman. Naka-video call ako sa mga bata. Maingay. Pakita ko sa inyo yung aming setup. Ayan. Yan yung aming setup. Ito yung aming paligid. Di ko pa gamit yung aking mic. Kasi nasa bag pa siya at ihina nga ako. Yan. Maaraw. So, yung aming kitchen doon. So, dulo. Tapos, dito yung wala lang. Bahala na kung ano dyan. Pero, yeah. Dito yung aming upuan. Dito rin kami magpapa-apoy mamaya pagka maginaw. May mga tao naman din at andun yung toilet. Tsaka shower. Hot and cold shower siya kasama. And maganda dito, may kasama siyang wifi. So, hindi mauubos ang inyong dara. So, that's it. Ang ganda dito. So, yan. Naka-set up na kami. Yan.
Then I put the top on.
Yay! Look at our kitchen. That's our kitchen. Na-set up ko na yung aming mga plates there. Andoon yung mga panluto. Yeah, ang panghugas ng plato. At meron kami mga seasoning dito kahit hindi naman kami gano'ng magluluto. And we got
Put it back in there, yeah.
2 burner na kalan.
And water.
Ayan. And we got water.
Look, I gotta install.
No, we just put the water here so it's facing the.
Oh yeah.
So we got a little water here for drinking. Oh yeah. Yan ang aming mini setup. Wait lang. Okay, yan ang aming mini setup. Hello.
Have a bung on here.
Yeah.
This thing's plays up a bit. Remember last time? We were kind of hold it.
That's alright.
Bung is it? Shit. Well, the bung hole, I reckon. Okay. The bung hole.
Yeah. Yay.
There's a thingy.
Our kaming kitchen towel. That's about it. Then maglalagay kami ng cover, ng maliit na cover lang dito. Tapos, nakasetup na kami. Tapos, ito yung setup namin dito sa harapan.
There's a car there, so it gives us a bit of time.
Yeah. Yan yung aming setup. Ayan. Meron kami maliit na sapin, 2 upuan, yung maliit na chair. Tapos, yung aming pang-apoy na yon dito namin siya ilalagay later. Kasi malamig mamaya. And, ayan ang aming mini setup. So, ayan siya. So, matagal mag-set up. Pero, 3 nights naman kami dito. Kaya worth it naman. And meron din kami pesky. May mga yelo na din yan. Yung aming dalang pagkain. Na, usually, may dala lang kaming noodles. Tapos, pang umagahan bukas. Kasi bukas ng gabi sa labas kami kakain. So, ayan, magkakabit na si Baba ng cover. Hindi naman siya makakover lahat, pero okay lang. Something may cover lang. So, ayokong habaan yung aking pag-video para hindi masyadong mainip yung taong manonood. Yung mga chismosa ba? Tayo ng gamit. Maglalagay tayo ng gamit. Hang on. I'll put you here. Yan, ganyan. Hindi ko gamit yung aking microphone kasi tinatamad akong kunin. So, meron kaming chippies.
It's also a light too.
Meron kami yung chips here. Yan, hindi ko lang nakikita nyo pero ayan. Yan, gano'n natin ilalagay. Meron kaming 2 Korean ramyun. That's 4. Tomorrow, o baka mamayang gabi. Hindi namin alam kung ano kakainin namin mamaya. Masyado akong close up. Meron kaming pang breakfast. Croissant! Because I love. We're gonna have ham and cheese croissant for tomorrow morning. And every morning. We got some Panadol medicine. Alam mo na. Yeah, and then we got this soupy. And I got a bunch of Madam Skilay coffee. Meron din si Baba Nescafe double shot. But we didn't bring the sugar, Bob.
There's a little bit in the can.
Oh, yeah.
Not a lot.
We got a little bit of sugar, pero yeah. Ito, akin, Madam Kilay Coffee. Ang dami kong dala niyan kasi, nati ko lang. Yeah, may dala ako niya. Meron pa ako sa bag. Then, we got this Century hot and spicy tuna. Kahit wala kaming crackers. And then, Spam. Yan, less sodium. Just in case na, alam mo yun, makautuan namin magluto na to. So, yan. And then, got 2 onions. And then, we got this monkey shoulder. We're gonna drink that tonight. Gonna drink it. We love that. So, ayan lang. Kasi hindi naman, may malapit naman na grocery dito para makabili kami ng pwede mga lutuin. Hindi na kami nagdala ng mga karne-karne kasi madali naman bumili sa grocery. So, yan lang. Pakita ko sa inyo yung aming kalan. Ayan yung aming 2-burner na kalan. Tapos meron kaming gasol doon. Then, meron kaming electric fan na may kasamang ilaw. Ito yung ilaw to na ilalagay dito sa tent sa paligid. Meron kaming power bank. Meron pa kaming isang rechargeable na thing kasi wala kaming kuryente dito. Pero yung ibang nagre-rent dito may mga kuryente.
It's got sun.
So, this one, nagcha-charge siya sa araw. Power bank pa rin siya. Tapos, yung pwede dito mag-rent ka doon sa may power na area. Pero yung pinili namin yung wala. Kasi meron naman kami rechargeable thing. Tapos, maaraw naman pwede mag-charge. So, ayan. So far, nakapag-set up na kami. Yeah, nakapag-set up na kami. Medyo malikot yung aking video. Pero, ayan. Yung aming setup for 3 nights. 3 nights kami dito. Monday pa kami uuwi. And, yeah. So, yeah, nakapag-CR na rin ako. Malapit yung CR. Malinis. Tapos, may code yung pinto. Kailangan, bago ako makapasok sa toilet o sa CR, yung shower area, tsaka yung toilet, may code na ano. Para hindi makapasok yung iba na hindi alam yung code, di ba? Secure siya. So, ayan, nilagyan ni Baba ng tarp there. Para maayos din yan. So, ayan lang.
Passing those zip ties.
So, teka lang. Done set up. Here we go. This is our home for
3 days.
3 nights. Yan ang aming setup. Ready na ang aming pang inuman. That's my favorite drink. So, yan ang aming setup. Diba? Ang ganda ng aming setup. Maaraw, kaya maganda. So, hindi maginaw. So, ayan, mainam may wifi. Nakakasagap ako. Nakakapag-video call ako sa mga bata. So, ikot ko kayo dito sa aming tent. Yan yung setup ng aming tent. Ayan siya. Kitty! So, ayan. Nakapeg siya lahat para just in case humangin na malala. Diba? And then, guess what? Agad mahiwagang meron akong tabo! Foldable tabo. Nagamit ko na siya. So, wait lang. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya. You know, the usual foldable. So, tadan! Meron akong foldable na tabo and yan yung timba. Kasi lalagyan na. Meron siyang gripo dito nandoon sa kabilang side. So, kukuha ko ng tubig mamaya para pagkagabing iihi. Dito lang ako iihi sa tabi-tabi. So, ayan yung aking foldable na tabo. Diba? Ayan. Napaka-handy. Lifesaver. So, ayan yung aming mini kitchen. Set up na ni Baba. May baka kaming tubig. So, sasakyan na yan. And then, yung aming drinking area. So, ayan. Dito kami mag-stay ng 3 nights. Uwi kami ng Monday ng umaga. Pahirapan siya. Sana hindi umuulan. Pero according sa weather, linggo, uulan. So, ayan siya. Yan yung aming setup. Hindi ko ginagamit yung microphone kasi tinatamad ako. Pero dala ko. Yan yung aming setup for 3 nights. Dito kami manirahan ng 3 gabi. Meron kaming kapitbahay pero wala yung tao. Diba? Ayan. Ayan siyang aming paligid. So, time check, parang, maybe what time is it? 3:30, tapos na kami mag-set
It
up.
took a few hours to set up.
Yeah.
Oh no, we got here 1:30.
Yeah.
An hour and a half.
Yeah, an hour and a half kami nag-set up para dito sa aming day 1. First day of camping, day 1. Hey. Is it a cream cheese?
Mm.
I got cream cheese here. Ayan, and then potato chips.
William shop. Okay, so I'm working too well.
Nagpapaaraw ako dito kasi ako inilalamig. Malamig yung hangin pero mainit yung panahon. Tapos, nakaka-uwi lang namin. Bumili kami ng sleeping bag. Andun si Baba, nag-aayos siya doon. Naayos niya yung aming sleeping bag. So, ayan, maaraw. Kung mag-charge ka ng solar, ganap na ganap yung araw. Masakit sa balat yung araw pero mahangin na yung hangin kala mo ano, icy, malamig. So yun na. We got a fire. I mean, I hope it's gonna start. This is our view for tonight. Got beautiful sunset over there. Yay, beautiful sunset. Then, I'm using my phone. I don't know if it's bright. Pero, nasa nag-charge yung aking camera. Hey! First night ng aming camping. Wala akong masyadong video today. Pero bukas, sa damihan ko. Kasi, wala. Ni-enjoy ko lang mag-inom ngayon. Nag-iinom kami. Tapos, mag-ginaw. Hi, Bob. We got lights.
Want a bit of light?
Yeah. Yay! Thank you, my love.
Light?
Bright.
That bright?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. I think that's too bright.
That's enough.
Yeah,
Alright.
like that.
Yay.
Nice.
Yeah. Nakasuot na ako na to kasi giniginawa ko. Wala akong masyadong video para ma-enjoy lang itong aming first day, first night dito. Tapos bukas marami na ako i-video. Pero maganda yung sunset doon. Oh. Ang ganda ng sunset. May maririnig ka mga bata. Oh shit. Pwede ka pala siyang i-zoom ng ganyan. Diba? Ang ganda. Meron nga pala kaming kapitbahay dito. Tapos meron din kaming kapitbahay doon sa kabila. Sasakyan siya. Yun doon. May owning doon. Yay! Tonight's dinner ay we're gonna eat noodles, Bob. Korean noodles with egg. Sana magtuloy yung apoy namin. We can still cook on the stove.
Yeah, but no, if this gets going, we'll be right.
Yeah, I know. So,
Might
yeah.
be a late dinner.
See you later. Hello. I'm gonna cook ramyun. Ito ang aming dinner habang nag-iinom. Parang hindi na namin lutuin later. So, isasabay na namin habang umiinom. masyadong madilim. Pero,
A bit brighter.
yeah. Piliwanagan niya yung ilaw.
That's the
Yay!
brightest.
Yay! It's nice. Hello. So, I'm gonna cook ramyun. Hindi ko ilalagay lahat ng spicy thing. Kasi, maanghang siya para sa akin. Mga isa't kalahati lang. Salagyan ko siya ng egg.
Have you seen those pigs?
Yeah.
Where are they at? The kitchen pig.
How many you need?
About four. Four.
It's only 3.
Oh, please. I'm just going to peg this up because it's really wet on me.
You tell me. Anyway. Isa't kalahating powder lang yung aking ilalagay. Gamit ko ngayon yung aking camera. Yung ibang video, magiging iba siya kasi yung isa, yung cellphone ko yung gamit ko. So, medyo madilim tong isa. Yung cellphone ko medyo malinaw. O baka pareho lang. Bukas, lalabas kami. Doon kami magdi-dinner. Iinom sa pub. Mainam dito, may wifi. Hindi masasayang yung aking gara. Eh, kasi nga, kailangan ko tumawag sa mga girls. Ito. Kung nag-cup noodles na lang sana kami. Kaya lang. Hindi kami bumili. Ito lang yun. Sana maliwanag. Sana nakikita nyo ako. Ito yun, oh. Yan, ganyan. Maliwanag. Kita ang buhay. Antayin natin siyang pulo. Antayin natin kumulo yan. Direct fire naman siya. And then, ayun yung aming apoy. Nilipat namin yung upuan doon sa kabila kasi pumapasok yung usok dito. Yung kanina, yung mats namin, nilagay dyan ni Baba. Pang cover lang. Para yung lamig. Ito lang yung naka-open. So, yan. Pero kaming kapitbahay sa kabila doon. So, ayan.
Yeah, good enough to do.
Hi, Bob. We got this poncho.
What's that? You got the what?
The poncho.
Oh.
My baby.
Look at the fire got started.
What's this?
The fire, look.
Yeah. That's our fire. Napaapoy din namin. Parang uling na nga eh. Yan. Nasuot ko na yung aking jacket. Tayo natin kumulo yung aking noodles. Yung sabaw. Medyo naparami yata ako ng sabaw pero okay lang. So, yeah. Balikan ko kayo later. Okay, we're back. It's boiling. Kumukulo na siya. Ilalagay na natin yung egg. Lagyan na natin yung egg. Itlog, dito nakalagay. Dalawa lang yung binawa namin itlog kasi hindi naman namin kailangan for breakfast. Yeah. There. Tapos, haluin natin. Good morning. Ang lamig. We're gonna have some croissant and then coffee. Morning, Bob.
Morning.
Good morning. This is our view today. Ayan. Yeah, that's our view. Yan ang aming paligid. Ngayon. Good morning. Ang lamig. Parang mag-alas 9 na yata. Ang lamig. Naninigas yung kamay ko sa lamig. Paggabi umuusok na yung bibig ko sa sobrang ginaw. Pero ngayon okay lang. Inom kami ng kape. Sarap magbilad sa araw. Tapos mamaya maliligo na kami. Kasi pupunta kami sa bilihan. Sa grocery. Tsaka titingin kami ng kumot. Kasi sobrang ginaw. Giningi kami sa ginaw kagabi. Giniginaw kami. Malamig na malamig kagabi. Ngayon din sobrang lamig. So magbe-breakfast muna kami at maliligo. Hindi ko lang kung kakayanin ko maligo kahit mayroon namang mainit na shower. Ayan. Sobrang lamig. Ayan. Good morning. Day 2. Day 2 dito sa aming campsite. Dito sa Old Bar. Good morning. Nagising kami kasi meron sila ditong yun. Manok siya pero tawagin nila bush chokes. Nakalimutan ko isa rin zipper sa nakalagay yung aming mga stock. Yung croissant namin na isang balot, tinangay. Binutas. So meron lang kaming isang balot ng croissant. So 3 lang yun. Tatlo lang natira. Tinangay niya ng tinuka doon, no? Tinangay doon. Kaya pala ang ingay-ingay. Binutas yung supot. Tsaka tinuka yung tinapay. Kaya yun. Yan lang ang aming natira. 3 piraso ang natira. Tapos pumunta kami sa grocery para bumili ng another croissant.
And the birds
Tomorrow.
ate the other one.
What?
The birds ate the other one.
Yeah. The birds. Actually, it's the bush chicken. Bush chokes or whatever. So, yeah. We're gonna have coffee and breakfast. Dito tayo sa tapat ng araw para magkape. Nagdadry yung lips ko kasi nga malamig. Ang ginaw. Coffee. Kape tayo. Ang lamig. Ang lamig ng kape. Ang lamig ng kape. Lamig ng panahon. Coffee. Malamig. Sobrang lamig. Bibili kami ng another kumot para mamaya OA yung ginaw. O baka OA lang kami. Hindi ko alam. Good morning. Malamig. Kapitbahay namin. Gising na sila. Mag-asawa silang matanda. Hindi man sobrang tanda. Malamig. Masarap magbaba dito sa araw. Hindi ko lang kung naririnig niyo ako. Hindi akong gamitin microphone. Tinatamad talaga ako. Here. Oh, there. I don't know. Where you want it? Just, yeah. Okay.
Steal your son.
What the hell? Lamig. Lamig talaga. Ooh, croissant. We got croissant. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna eat this.
Yummy.
It's really good. Ham and bacon. Ham and bacon. Ham and cheese. The fuck?
It's a ham and bacon croissant.
It's good. I love croissant. I really do. Oh my god. It's good.
Hmm?
Yummy.
The stretcher's a good success.
What?
The stretcher.
Yeah. It's really good.
Mm.
It's cold, Baba. It's fucking freezing. Oh, mainit ang kape. Sarap.
Mm. Sweetness.
It's super sarap.
And the harpies in this one.
You can eat that, Papa.
The harpies.
You can eat that.
You don't want one?
Very good. Croissant is the best.
Mm.
Yummy. Kaya tayo ay maghugas ng plato. Hindi ko alam kung makikita niyo ako, pero yan. Hugas tayo ng plato. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko mahuhugasan to ng tama, pero yeah. Mga pinagkainan natin. Meron akong dishwashing dito. Ay, ang dami ko nilagay, bobo. Ang dami ko nilagay. May gripo kasi, kaya lang tatayo ako, bababasa ako. So, ang dami ko nilagay. Akala ko maliit lang butas nun. Malaki pala. Hugas tayo. Si Baba nagsha-shower. Ako mamaya ako magsha-shower pagka pagkabalik namin kasi malamig. Hindi ko kakayanin. May hot shower naman, kaya lang hindi ko kaya. Yung ano. Pagpasok mo kasi sa banyo malamig. Anyway. Hugas tayo. Para wala na ako intindihin mamaya. Ang lamig ng tubig. Putang ina, naninigas yung kamay ko. Pupunta kami ng grocery. Tsaka bilihan ng sleeping bag. Yung pang-camping talaga ng sleeping bag. Yung ba tawag doon? Sleeping bag, hindi ko alam. So, kapitbahay namin na mag-asawa, naglakad-lakad, nag-ikot. Hindi ko alam saan. Pero baka iikot lang sila dito sa loob. Lakad-lakad sila. Kami ng shop. Kaslaw. Kaslaw yan. Nasanay ako maghugas ng plato ng may mainit na tubig. Naninigas yung kamay ko. Mamaya yung kasunod na video na to, ando na kami sa may shop. Kung hindi ako tatama rin. Ando na kami sa may shop. Pero baka wag na. Pagbalik na lang kasi masyado nang hahaba. Pero tingnan natin. Para ito day 2 namin. Para ma-i-upload ko yung kahapon kahit maiksi. Tapos day 2 na today. Magka-separate na lang i-upload. Kahit hindi mahaba. Yan. Ito ang pinaglutuan namin ng noodles kagabi. Next time, ang babaunin lang namin cup noodles. Pero baka bumili kami sa grocery rin nun. cup noodles. Mas madali kainin. Lunes pa kasi kami uuwi. And according sa weather, uulan tomorrow, Sunday. So, hindi ko alam kung paano kami. Hindi ko namin alam kung ipapasok yung tent. Though, hindi naman siya mababasa talaga sa loob. Hindi siya alam mo yun, hindi siya mababasa sa loob. Ano lang siya. Malamig lang. Okay, magbabanlaw na ako. Hindi ko na kayo isasama sa pagbabanlaw ko. Okay? Papatayin ko na tong camera. Waterproof naman yan. Kaya lang. Hindi ko na kayo isasama. Mamaya na lang ulit.
Whether a bus or a plane, or a car or a train, no other girls on my brain, and you the one to blame.
Yes, I've got to keep it up to that.
Hello! We're back. We got Chinese food. Hindi kami nagpunta doon sa pub. Kasi malamig. Naglakad kami sa Chinese food. We got fried rice. Pakita ko sa inyo yung aming fried rice.
This one's
Ooh, that's our Chinese fried rice. And let me see. This is pork with this special sauce. And we got, I don't know what's this.
that's the combination of chicken
Combination of chicken and whatsoever. I don't know what's
with
that.
whatsoever.
Yeah, there's whatever. Chicken. Ang hirap ipakita. So, yun ang aming dinner. Chinese food. Baby, Chinese food. That's it. Ay, hindi niyo pala makita eh. Oh, wait lang, ha? Oh, wag na nga.
Move your spoon, Bubba.
Ganyan na lang.
Move
Andan.
your spoon.
My spoon. Ang lamig ang hangin. Maingay yung alon, yung dagat. I'm gonna try this. This is the pork. Iwan natin yung pork with special sauce. Ano ba to? Yan. Crispy pork. Parang chicharon. Na matamis yung sauce. Parang sweet and sour siya pero parang chicharon. Chicharon na sweet and sour. Parang ganun. Tignan natin yung chicken na may combination.
How's that for you? Good now.
Yan yung chicken na may combination eme. Thank you, love. I'll show you my food. Chinese fried rice, chicken combination, crispy pork with special sauce. Kain tayo. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Good. Oh, fried rice. Chinese fried rice is good. This is good. Huh?
Oh, pork.
It's like chicharon, sweet and sour. Parang siyang chicharon na nilagyan lang ng sauce. I got prawn. Yum. Yummy.
What?
You don't like the prawns?
Yeah, I eat it.
Yummy. Up. Sarap.
Relax.
Yeah. Malapit lang yun, nilakad lang namin. Kala malamig. Hmm. I like Chinese food. Huh? I need to eat slowly. She's cute, that kid.
Was your phone magnet on there?
Huh?
Is that magnetic?
That's the iPhone.
Is it magnetic on there?
That's the case. The magnetic case. Come on. Oh,
Your iPad should stick on that.
maybe I haven't tried. But no, I tried. It will, but it's too big. It's sliding. Yummy.
So what?
I don't know.
Got rid of leftovers.
Huh?
What leftovers tomorrow?
Put that in the ice.
Yeah, I will. You right, you want? You right for now, yeah?
I'm okay for now.
How would you just fry it all up in the frying pan, I suppose? Make it a true combination. Chicken.
Oh, I'm full. Good morning. Day 3. And parang uulan. Yeah. Kasi sobrang lamig. Parang uulan doon. Ang dilim ng kalangitan. Kalangitan. Ay, ang galing. Ayan o. Mga kapitbahay doon sa dulo. And yeah. Parang uulan. Parang uulan. Malamig. Last day na namin dito. It's our last day today. Tomorrow, uwi na kami. Walang masyadong ganap. Walang masyadong gagawin. Kagabi, kahapon, wala kaming ginawa. Kaya wala akong masyadong video. Nandito lang kami. Nagpunta lang kami sa shop. Tapos ngayon, hindi namin alam paano gagawin namin. Kaya boring tong day 3. Wala kaming masyadong... ano ba yun? Wala kaming masyadong gagawin today. Ayan. Ang dilim-dilim ng kalangitan. Nag-iisipan pa namin kung gagala kami o hindi. Pero, oh, ang sarap ng kape. Umuusok yung bibig ko. Sobrang lamig. Hindi ko lang kung nakikita nyo, pero umuusok. Iba yung usok nung apoy sa... Uusok! Sobrang lamig. So, wala. Yan lang. Yung aming bed. Sana wag umulan ng malakas kasi sobrang lalamig pag umulan ng malakas. Someone is doing the dishes. Enjoying that? It's his turn to do the dishes because I did the dishes yesterday.
talk yourself up. Whatever.
What?
It's not a competition. Jeez. It's not a competition, you know.
That's what I always tell you.
Yeah.
You're doing a good job, Bob.
I'm a coach. I don't know why it's so funny.
You're cutie. I close up your face. Yeah, the background is blurred. This is how good the camera. Oh my god, yeah. Cutie. Hey, Bob.
I'm here.
Good job.
That's like automatic.
Madilim. Parang uulan. May nagka-camping doon sa dulo. Yan sila. Tapos kami andito. So it's fine. Hello. We're going to the shop. Ito ang aking OOTD. Naon vlog. Hindi ako maririnig pero I'm wearing my boots, see? My jogger and then my winter coat, my winter jacket, and then yung aking bag. Ang cute ng bag na to. I got this from, what do you call that? House of Little Bunny. Oh, hindi ko pala nagamit to. Oh, dala-dala ko pala. I'm gonna use this tonight. My eye whatever. Sa ilalim ng mata. Pantanggal ng eye bag. Pantanggal ng eye bag. So, yan. Binalata ko yung strap ng bag ko. Ginawa ko siyang short. Kasi cute. It's cutesy. Kami ng shop kasi bibili kami ng wood. Saka ng, ewan ko kung ano pa mabili.
Yeah.
Oh, beer daw. Ako din ako inom.
And I got my OTP on.
OTD.
OTD.
Yeah.
That's a pair of shorts
That's, oh,
and
you do
some
that.
thongs.
You do that. The bending. Move back. Move back.
I got
1,
my
2, 3.
OTD.
That's gonna be my thumbnail. Ito kami na shop. Di pa ako naghihilamos yan. Kasi malamig. Yan, ganyan lang siya. Hindi ko na isusuot yung hood. Kasi, masyado namang OA yun, di ba? Tapos sabi niya maglalakad daw kami mamaya sa dagat. So, hindi ko alam. Ganda-ganda ako talaga sa bag na to. Oh. Ang ganda. Wala akong masyadong mga bini-video kasi nga, sobrang lamig. Gusto ko lang magpahinga. Mag-relax, mag-rest. Kasi, we've been working for the past days. So, lang magpahinga. Kunti lang yung So, yeah, later na lang ulit. We're going. Kailangan namin yung pumunta ng shop. Ganda na panahon, mahangin lang. Yung hangin naman hindi ko kinakaya. Maganda naman siya. Aliwalas, hindi umuulan. Pero, yung hangin ang maginaw. Meron nga akong gloves. Ay, sorry. Meron akong dalang gloves. And dala ko pala yung dikit ko na yung kabitan ng camera ko dito sa loob. Nasa sasakyan. So, yun lang. Someone get the alcohol. Someone is happy. Oh, he got me a wine. He got white wine and he got 6 pieces of alcohol, I think.
Supposed to try. Bacon's nice.
Yeah. Lunchtime. Burger patty, cheese, onion, barbecue sauce. Wala akong tinapay kasi ayoko. Oh. Lunchtime. Look at that. Oh, it's focused there. So good. Mm.
Yummy.
Yummy. Yummy. Mm. I ordered the cheese. Cheese and onion. Ah. Yum. Mm. We'll be back here, Bob. Definitely.
It's nice, yeah.
Yeah, I like it here.
It's better than Manning Point.
Mm.
Yeah. You got shops really close here.
Yeah, better
Manning
here.
Point, you're really. I guess 20 k's in from that turn off to Manning Point,
Yeah.
which is half an hour itself.
So definitely we'll be back here.
Mm.
Cheese and burger patty.
That's
Mm. It's very yummy. Mm.
bit of a snack.
Mm. Snack. It's kind of like lunch. It's lunchtime, babe. Yeah. I love it. So, ang nirent namin dito yung walang kuryente. Kasi pwede kang mag-rent doon sa Gawidon. Merong power source. Yung power bank namin, kasi pang 3 days na namin dito, pang 3 nights namin. So far, yun lang ginagamit namin pang charge ng gadget. So, I got 3 phones, 1 iPad, meron siyang isang phone. And then yung ilaw namin, sinarge din namin yung fairy lights there. Tapos, yeah, umabot siya ng 3 days. So, maganda yung power bank. Pero, we're planning to buy the what? The Blue Yeti
Ready.
power charge, whatever we call the power charge power source. Bibili kami nun. Para mas, maraming power.
You can see our setup. Just that's our power setup at the moment.
Yeah.
That's it. Are you enjoying that?
Yeah, we'll be back September or whatever.
I
And
think September for you.
yeah, well, even before that, I want to go back.
I think September because then
I want to go back here.
Huh?
I want to go back here even before September.
this is really nice. Yeah.
Hmm.
Especially I like this back area. I think this is where they do put the tents and non-powered. Well, this is a non-powered site area.
Yeah.
So you'll always get down here.
Yeah.
Or over that side, I think is there. This is no electricity.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Hmm?
Smoke.
Yeah. Leave some for me.
There's down there says zero, mama.
Mausok. Sa tapat kasi kami na apoy eh. Plus, but, look at that. It's so clear. It has a better quality of camera.
It's probably better than mine.
No, I think it's the same. You just need to play around with that.
I don't have the two
What?
camera things. I don't know what they were.
It's the same. The quality. Hold on. Thank you, Bob. Yummy.
You want a patty?
I don't know. I'm all
There's
good.
two more up there. I just thought I'd just cook them.
Mm.
I wasn't gonna put it back in the fridge because I had no plastic wrap. I could, if I brought some of those Ziploc bags, I could have probably put two patties home.
That's fine.
But
Yummy.